In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record retainer invoice payment in Zoho Books. This is really useful when a customer pays you an advance or a deposit, and you want to make sure that payment is properly tracked in your accounting system. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the navigation panel and find the section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Zoho keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including invoices, estimates, and of course, retainer invoices. Once the sales section opens, you'll see several options. Look for retainer invoices and click on it. Retainer invoices are special invoices that represent advance payments from your customers, usually for future work or ongoing services. Opening this section will show you a list of all the retainers you've created so far. Now, from the list of retainer invoices, choose the one you want to record a payment for. You can identify it by the customer name, the retainer amount, or the invoice number, depending on what's easiest for you. Click directly on that retainer invoice to open its detailed view. Taking a second here to confirm the details helps avoid applying a payment to the wrong invoice. With the retainer invoice open, look for the option labeled Record Payment. This is usually a button that stands out on the page. Click on Record Payment. When you do this, Zoho Books will bring up a payment window where you can specify how and when you receive the money. In the payment window, you'll typically see fields like the payment date, the amount received, the payment mode, and the account the money is going into, such as your bank account. Even though the original instructions don't walk through each field, it's a good idea to double check that the amount is correct and that the date and payment method reflect what actually happened in real life. Once everything looks right, confirm again by clicking the Record Payment button in that window. After you submit the payment, Zoho Books may show you a confirmation message or prompt. When that appears, simply click OK to finalize the process. This tells Zoho Books to update the status of that retainer invoice and mark the payment as recorded. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a retainer invoice payment in Zoho Books, keeping your advance payments organized and up to date.